today is the day that we go to Elite Tuner. So what is Elite Tuner, right? Elite Tuner is basically a huge event, car event. It's not just a meet, it's a car event where you have drag races, you have tug of war events, and you have other events that I'll post right here. That way you guys can check it out for yourselves. Yesterday we met the owner yesterday. His name is Ranger, and cool guy. All I have to say is good things about him. First impressions was really good about him. If you guys want to go ahead and check out the Elite Tuner website here, you guys can check it out for yourselves. But anyways, guys, we're gonna go and wash our cars, get ready for the event, and I'll see you then. We're out here washing the cars. Yeah, so we got to this one place. I forgot the name of this car wash, but it's a hand wash car wash. Pretty interesting. You guys can check this out here. What is the name of this car wash, ma'am?
It's Eco Car Wash.
Okay, Eco Car Wash. Okay. I've never actually experienced a hand wash like. I don't even need to keep the receipt or not.
All right, yeah.
All right, bro. But I appreciate it, bro. That shit was clean, man.
Yeah.
I like it. Damn, this thing looks spotless. We're gonna roll up all the boys, and then we're gonna head out to the event. Probably get some breakfast on the way. But I'm gonna start recording once I get to the event. So. On the mask, boys. You got these signs saying mask at all times. What's up?
Hey, you guys, I'm right behind you guys.
Oh, Jerry, is that you or what?
Yeah, that's me right here.
Okay, cool shit.
I was driving hella fast.
Damn, dog. That perfect timing, bro. Perfect timing.
I see some Type 4s already, bro.
Oh, dude, there's hella cars, dog. It's crazy. It's crazy out here.
More contact.
Hello. I have a drag strip
good.
ticket.
Scanned you in, right?
Yeah, I just have a drag strip ticket though too.
Oh yeah, sounds good. Okay, here you go.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. All right, guys. So the drag strip parking lot is somewhere down all the way down here. Actually, the guy in the golf cart over there, he's the one running the show right now. Ooh, we got another Z out here. Oh, is that Chuki? That is Chuki. That's fucking Chuki, yo. How's it going? Wow, this is fucking insane, dude. How's it going, fellas? I like that sweatshirt, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Wow. This is what inspires me to be a good YouTuber and bring you guys good content, is because I want, in the future, long term, is I want my own booth. With my buddies supporting me, with my team supporting me, and just having a good time, baby. Positive energy. And just being legendary in everything you do, baby. That's what it's all about. Be legendary. That's where that motto comes from, is not being afraid to do what you want to do. You know, find that passion and actually commit to it and do it. That's what be legendary means, baby. So, but anyways, guys, that's all the filo I have for now. I'm gonna just find a parking spot somewhere around here. I think these are all the cars that are gonna drag strip or participate in the drag strip, the quarter-mile time. Got an MR2 down there with the fat old tires. That's how you know it's real. Get it out, boys. Boy, check this out. Homeboy got 4 fucking tits that are like over 3 inches. Is that like 4 inches?
God damn, that looks like about 4 inches.
4 or 5 inches, huh?
Yeah.
That's insane.
What do you think so far?
And this is definitely a different type of car than we're used to. Like you said, we're used to cars and coffee. This is it's performance with a mixture of, you know, a nice wheel setup.
This is cars and cocaine.
There you go. That's how it is, bro. Cars and cocaine.
Yeah, this is sweet, dude.
He's a little tighter in there. A little bit. Our driver's a little small guy. So.
Wow. I did not know the shifters on what car is this? What, the Civic? I didn't know the shifter was in the center of the console. That is nuts. Whoa, this is actually a car that I like. I like the interior on these Civics. Pretty sick. You got arcade seats here, bro. These are not actually, they're seats, but they're like those arcade seats that you play in, like at a pizza joint. All right, guys. So you guys got Chuki gang out here. Saturday. Fucking Z-boys out here.
That's pretty cool.
That is sick, huh? Yep.
Dude, I like that a lot.
You like the blue with the tan?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's a little different, bro, for sure.
It's my type of style, man. I'm an old man.
No, not mine. I got balls, but yo, is this Fresh Kicks? Fresh Kicks? No, I'm just kidding, bro. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're going to start the drag racing. I think they're just prepping the track right now, but it's not a quarter-mile race. It's a 1/8 of a mile. So a little bummed out on that, but it's all good. We're gonna see how the Nismo performs. I'm a little nervous because I've never launched the Nismo. I'm gonna watch a little bit of YouTube videos and see what's the best RPM and see if I can find that out on the YouTube, right? For the most part, I'm just gonna experiment it myself and see how the car feels.
Windows up. Windows up.
Fucking miss second gear, boys. I miss second gear. I missed it. That was crazy. Oh man. Hey, fuck it, that's how you learn. I gotta learn how to do a proper burnout on this. How do I know if I passed if I jumped or not?
Right there, it tells you your time right there, and that's the speed.
Oh, this
right
is
underneath your number.
Oh, so this is my
your
time,
your speed, and that's your reaction time.
Oh, so I didn't jump it.
Yeah.
That's cool. Hey, sir! My time for that was 9.77 for the 1/8, and with 78 miles per hour, and my reaction time was 0.357.
I just got a good light, that's all it is. Man.
Yeah, basically.
As soon as you see that third light, boom.
Absolutely. Alrighty. Oh, we fucked up. We should have pulled on the side. That was clean. I think I jumped it though. I see third light and I go instantly. So maybe I'm going a little too early. We will find out and see. That's gonna be my last run though, guys. Thank you.
We're at a 667.
Woo! A .696.
Good job, man.
Yo,
Good
thank
run,
you.
man.
So far that was my best run. That one felt clean. I didn't over feather the RPMs. But just keep in mind, I'm also like on all weather tires.
Sergio!
Hey, I'm on all weather tires right now, so it's not the best grip. The last run I had a 8.15 time with 80 miles per hour. So yes, cleaner freaking run on my last run. Holy shit, I shaved off pretty much a 1.5 seconds. My reaction time was slower than the first one, but I'll take that anytime, baby.
This is gonna be the craziest run of the whole night. What do you got behind you?
I still traction control on, bro. I'll just leave it on that traction control.
Alright, so I'm David, nice to meet you. Give me knuckles. So the rule is you can have one passenger in your car. They must have a wristband. There's never allowed anybody in the back seat.
Ah, okay.
So open your door, get out, get in a hurry.
Yeah.
You did 8 for effort, but nice try.
Oh no, yeah, we didn't know that, but it's okay. Well, we tried getting in the back seat, but the limit is only one passenger. But that would have been cool, bro.
Yeah, it would have been
Like
dope, bro. 4 people.
That would
And if he took a nub with it too.
Oh yeah, man. Got it. fine.
Oh, we got a Corvette in the back.
Let's see how we do.
Move it over.
See how she does. It's a big scat.
All right, let's give it up for the tour. Oh, okay.
Oh, God, he said it.
All right.
Let's fucking go! Yeah! Absolutely golden, bro.
That guy just kept going.
Yeah! Alright guys, so that was the end of the Carmi Elite Tuner. Let me tell you guys, it was insane. It was insane, man. There was drag stripping, there was two-step, there was crazy builds out there. What was the craziest build that you saw that kind of got you like, whoa, what the fuck did I just see?
Look at this nice new 2021 Civic Type R right there.
Yeah, that's beautiful though.
No, the craziest build for me were the two Fast and Furious tribute cars. The green Mr. G clips.
Yeah, I
and-
noticed.
And Toretto's RX-7.
Yeah.
Those are my favorite.
Yeah, those. But I think my favorite build so far was probably the 548 Ferrari, and I can't wait to go to the next one.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to go to the next one. But shout out to Ranger and his team, man. They worked super hard. I saw him just up and down and just taking care of shit. Yeah, shout out to Elite Tuner, baby. Thank you for everything.
Hell yeah, dude.
Alright guys, that's pretty much concludes the entire video. It was a blast. I'll see you guys in my next video, baby. You already know. Stay safe, stay humble, be legendary, and we're gonna get some EDs. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go!